Y- Yo, good morning, good people. Man, I'm about to be kind of running a few errands, but before I do that, I'm going ahead and make me a sandwich. And I looked at a lot of the comments that the people were saying in the last veggie sandwich I made that, hey, it's a game changer when you try the everyday bagels with that same combination. Guess what? Got me an everyday bagel. So guess what? We about to put this thing together. And let me turn this around. So you see everything is pretty much the same. Oh yeah, I'm adding cream cheese to the mix with some roasted garlic hummus and everything that was in the previous video. So let's put this thing together. Let's see how long this take. The only thing I'm gonna do is toast the everyday bagels. I'm doing it the easy way. Just got the oven preheating on broil. Just gotta toast it a little bit. And one thing that I've learned about toasting stuff is using some mayo. Hey, don't knock it until you try it. So I'm just gonna put a little bit of mayo on both sides just to toast. Cause when I first heard about that, I was like, man, it's gonna taste like mayonnaise. But then I thought about it, I was like, nah, it don't taste like it. So once I finish toasting that, we're just gonna assemble everything together. Hopefully this shouldn't take long at all. Sometimes when I be doing my other videos, it be taking like an hour or something to do, but I'll break it down to like a minute and some change. So yeah, we gonna see how this bagel with that veggie sandwich that I made the other day is gonna work. Matter of fact, I'm gonna go ahead and crank this up to high on the broil so we can go ahead and get these things toasted pretty quickly. Now I'm gonna keep it on low because sometimes when you have it on high, when you broil something, guess what's gonna happen? You forget about it 1 second and your stuff is toast. So, how's everybody doing this morning? How's everybody feeling? Your morning going good? Okay, bad, whatever? I'm gonna drink me some water. That's what's up, yeah. I'm gonna see how this bagel thing is gonna taste, man. I already knew it's gonna taste good because a lot of the stuff that people in the comments suggest that I do, I try it out and it turns out phenomenal. So as soon as these bagels are good and toasted, guess what? We gonna go ahead and assemble the sandwich, man. I'm going ahead and get all my stations ready. I see a lot of people joining live. That's what's up, man. Appreciate it. There we go. How's everybody feeling this morning? Let me check on this because when a lot of times when it's on broil, if you take your eyes off of it one time, it's a wrap. So let me make sure. See, it's just and I'm doing it the quick and easy way. Just boom, toast it real good until it's crispy. Then we're gonna take it out and assemble the sandwich. Let's go, Mom. There we go. I'm still getting used to the TikTok live. These are the ingredients. Man. So yeah, let me just. Oh yeah, I actually got this seasoning when I was at Ross. Don't sleep on Ross and they seasonings. They be having some good stuff sometimes and a lot cheaper. And before Big Lots went out of business, I was able to grab some other seasonings that were real good. Say, hey, don't sleep on Ross. They have some good stuff. Also got the broccoli sprouts from the farmers market. I got the plant-based cream cheese from the store. Also, this is my first time trying a roasted garlic hummus. So we're gonna see how this tastes. And obviously all the other vegetables, I got it from my local farmer's market. Because I'm still waiting on my fruits and vegetables to grow. When it comes to fruits and vegetables, they take a while to grow. So far, my harvest for the other day was my cherry tomatoes, also my cayenne pepper and okra. So yeah, it's gonna take a minute. Oh, you know what? I'm starting to smell the I'm starting to smell the bagel being a little crispy right now. Let me hold, please. Let me grab this. Yup. Good and toasted. If I'd have waited a little bit longer, it would have been burnt. So that's all it needed was just a little toasting. Now it's time to assemble the sandwich. There's really no particular order. Let me get a better angle. Let's see. Ooh-wee. So I'm gonna go with the hummus on the bottom. Now you can do this, however you want it. Some people like the hummus maybe be on top. And then I'm gonna try it another way. I'm gonna do it this way. I'm gonna put the cream cheese on the top one so we can kind of get those different flavors going. Now this is a strawberry cream cheese, so it's gonna be like a garlicky, sweet type of sandwich. I guess I call it something like that. But this right here, if I can get the cream cheese to spread, probably because the bun they still hot. Come on. Putting all this together. Yep, just like that. Set that to the side. We're gonna go in with the lettuce and kale on the bottom. Got like a little onion. This is a dandelion green. Man, I straight up dropped it. Oh well. Maybe I need to just scoot it out the way. Got the bottom going. Next, we're gonna hit it with some cucumbers. Just a little bit right here. You know what? I'm going ahead and I have this this onion dressing. This right here is a game changer. So I'm gonna just put it. Last time I put it like on top, but I'm gonna put it like right before I add the. I'm gonna add a big slice of this tomato right here. That's how it's looking so far. Then we're gonna hit it with the. No, you know what? before I do that, I'm going ahead and hit it with a little. We gotta put a little seasoning on there. You know what I'm saying? So I'm gonna do the little Salt Bay action. I ain't about to have that going off my arm or nothing like that. But go ahead and add just a little bit of seasoning. They would call this a pinch. Now we're gonna hit it with the broccoli sprouts. Now, people have said also in the comments that they would take this same sandwich, add everything, and should add some turkey, chicken, bacon, all that. Do whatever your preference is. I'm just doing a veggie sandwich. Now, put the bagel on. Now, I know how some of them other videos be where they are actually smashing the stuff. I'm like, shit good enough. And look at this. Look at this right here. Hold on, look. Let me get a little close up. Let me get a little closer. Let me wash my hands real quick. Let me get the little. That thing looking delicious. Look at that. That right there. It didn't take long at all. Man, I might have to. Yeah, this is looking very delicious. Matter of fact, let me see if I can. Okay, I'm back. Had to take a picture of that. Oh my goodness. Now, guess what? Time to eat. I'm going ahead and smash this down a little bit. Now this right here is good. Shout out to the people that suggested the everyday bagel. Toasting it, getting it soft. Yeah, this right here, that's the truth. And it's very easy to make. You're talking about I don't got no time to make. Well, guess what? You can make a nice bagel sandwich within what? Maybe 10 minutes or so. If you have everything prepped. So yeah, this is good. I mean, it's starting to drip on the cut board. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish this. Y'all appreciate everybody for joining the live and tuning in, and also appreciate everybody for the continued support on my TikTok channel. And I love all of y'all. Thank y'all. Y'all have a blessed and wonderful day.